Welcome friends, I'm going to share with you how to avoid stop loss hunt, and we are starting right now. My name is Yuri, I'm top trading you offer. If you're first time here, just hit the subscribe button. I promise you there will be a lot of useful stuff. Price hits your stop loss and after that move into your direction and you understand that you lost money and you see how price rise. Yes, it's painful. That's why this lesson I will show you all four major reasons why that happens and how to avoid that mistakes. And let's start from first one. First, you didn't check ATR. ATR it's volatility. At this moment I will name that, and after that we will check deeply about all the topics. You open a trade after big movement, you open a trade inside in a range or important news release. Let's start from you didn't check ATR, and also let's do example. Best example today. What is ATR? That would be a lesson I will drop below. You'll be able to watch after this lesson about ATR, how to use it and what is it. In few words, simple explanation. ATR, it is a distance between high and low of every candle. It shows to you volatility, average volatility every day. For example, on British pound at this moment, average volatility last 10 days was 86 pips. That means in average British pound moves 86 pips in 90% cases. That means if price today, like today, take a look, 91 pips, price today in the morning rose up 91 pips and try to break this range, and you want to open breakout entry on breakout. What will happen with you? Yes, you will have stop loss hunt. Why? Because full ATR already broken. Maybe your idea to trade breakout of the range. By the way, what is a range? There also will be a lesson how to trade range. I'll put below. Idea to trade a range breakout, it's good. But if price already from opening from night, as you can see, it's midnight, from midnight to high 92 pips. Once more, you always need to learn how to check ATR. I have, by the way, I have two ATR indicators. First for TradingView, second one for MT4. Also here on TradingView, as you can see this one. If you want to get this ATR indicator, which will show you percent, if you trade continue of the movement. Another example for you, like Bell. Today we sent you into our Discord group. Yesterday we sent, take a look, crypto trading plans. We sent into our Discord group to open buy on Bell, as you can see here. And today we already booked a profit. In the morning, take a look. It was huge profit. But if you would open buy at this moment, what would happen? Just pullback just happened. Price still bullish. After this range, price still looks bullish, but because you didn't open it in proper place and price already rose up 103% of ATR, and after that pullback, because price rose up full average daily volatility in 90% cases, price will move into one direction, one ATR, plus minus like 95%, 105%. It's not like exactly 100%, nearly that. That's why if you want to receive this ATR indicator for free, there would be a special promotion for those who will subscribe on this YouTube channel, and my Instagram, Twitter and Telegram. I will give that for free for MT4, for MT5 and for TradingView with all tutorials. And that's why you should subscribe. That's why, my friends, I hope these two examples. If you have any questions about ATR or how to get it, write a comment, I'll help you. Also, ATR works on stocks, on Forex, on crypto, doesn't matter, you can use it everywhere. That's why, once more, let's summarize this topic. Never open a position for continue if price already moved up in, for example, 80% of ATR or more, because possibilities that price will move in one particular day more than one ATR, nearly 10%. That's why you bet on 10% chance that price will continue movement into your direction. Very low possibility. Second reason, which we covered here, you open a trade after big movement. You can open any chart, especially on a fixed market. A fixed market, it is a range market, and you would see if price moved into one direction few days in a row, 3 days, even on oil. I would like to share with you example on oil. It's hard to find 3 days, 4 days in a row when oil rose up into one direction. Example for you even here. 1, 2, 3 days pullback. 1, 2 days pullback, because here was double ATR. 1, 2, 3, 4 days pullback. 1, 2, 3 on fourth day breakout, false breakout, pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Oh my god, 5 days. Range, pull back. 1, 2 days, pull back. 1, 2 days, pull back. As you can see, 1, 2 days. Range, real low, pull back. As you can see, all market have cycles. And if you see that price already moved, for example, down 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. By the way, I have a lesson how to catch market reversal where I explain how this works. It is not wise to open entry for continue if price already dropped down 5 days in a row without any decent pullback, without range or accumulation, because very huge possibility for a pullback. Example like here on oil, some people thought, we have uptrend, okay, let's continue. Trap, trap and pull back. The same here, my friend. You need to understand market cycles. If you will understand them, you will have less amount of stop losses. My friend, if you enjoy the content, subscribe and hit the bell, because there will be a lot of lessons which will help you trade better, I promise you. You open a trade inside in a range. A lesson about how to trade range I'll put below. What's important to understand in a range? If you open a trade in the middle of something like this, like example for you here on oil, what are you waiting for? For example, you open entry inside, you trade some lower time frame, better to open maybe Euro USD. Let's open 1 hour chart. You open entry inside of this range and you expect that there would be good and healthy movement without any pullback. For example, you open buy here and what? Or you open buy here because we have uptrend, but price inside in a range. That's a third very big mistake why many people have stop loss hunt, because you should open entry at very good place, at powerful key level, at good trend line. About how to build a new skill level, there would be a lesson below I will put. There's so many lessons which I put below, my friends, all of them useful, watch, and that would be game changing for you. That's why you need to learn how to trade inside in a range, because if you see that there are in a range, how can you trade range? From range borders or after range breakout, you can open a position, because in that case, it would be clear. If you open inside, open daily chart. If you always stick to 5 minutes, 10 minutes chart, 15 minutes chart, open bigger picture. Sometimes you just inside in a range. That's all. And finally, reason number 4, it is important news release. Example for you, on a fix, that could be European Central Bank announce interest rate, or Federal Reserve System also announce interest rate. I used to trade on robots, and at this moment I know that in most cases price react on something what was unexpected. Example for you. British pound example, here was Brexit voting, very huge unexpected news. To be honest, many people didn't believe that British people will vote for exit, but they voted for exit, and immediately price dropped down very big amount of pips, 1,778 pips. It was inside in 1 day candle. As you can see, very big 1 day candle, and after that range and real low. But my friends, after that, as you can see, price started uptrend for more than 1 year, from October 16 till April 18, for 2 years started uptrend. Once more, something unexpected can create powerful movement on the market. If big players, big banks already pay attention to that news, nothing will happen, because price already can count that news. Thanks for watching. There would be 2 lessons which are useful for you. Hit subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.